Is Westpac, one of Australia's oldest and largest banks, truly a digital bank? It's a question many are asking as the financial landscape rapidly evolves. We're constantly bombarded with news of sleek, app-first neobanks promising a completely digital experience. So, where does a traditional giant like Westpac fit into this picture? Think about your own banking habits. How often do you physically step into a branch? Chances are, like many, the majority of your interactions happen online or through your mobile device. We pay bills, transfer funds, check balances, and even apply for loans, all from the convenience of our smartphones or computers. This shift in consumer behavior is what's driving the digital transformation across the entire banking sector. Now, let's look at Westpac. They certainly have a significant online and mobile presence. Their app allows for a wide range of transactions, from everyday banking to managing investments. They offer digital payment options, real-time notifications, and various online tools designed to make banking more accessible. In this sense, they've undeniably embraced the digital realm. But does having a strong online presence automatically qualify a bank as a digital bank? This is where the nuances come in. Typically, when we talk about digital banks, we're often referring to institutions that operate almost entirely online, without the extensive physical branch networks that traditional banks like Westpac maintain. These digital-first players often boast streamlined processes, leveraging technology to offer competitive fees and innovative features. Westpac, on the other hand, carries the legacy of a long history, which includes a substantial network of physical branches. While these branches still serve a purpose for certain customers and complex transactions, they also represent a different operational model compared to a purely digital entity. This infrastructure comes with its own set of costs and considerations that digital banks might not face. Furthermore, the core technology and systems underpinning a traditional bank like Westpac might be more complex and layered due to years of evolution and integration. This can sometimes impact the agility and speed at which they can roll out new digital features compared to their digital native counterparts who built their platforms from the ground up with a digital-first approach. However, it's also crucial to acknowledge Westpac's ongoing efforts in digital innovation. They are investing heavily in upgrading their technology, enhancing their online and mobile platforms, and exploring new digital solutions. They are adapting to the changing demands of their customers and the competitive landscape. So, to circle back to our initial question, is Westpac a digital bank? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. While they possess a robust digital offering and are actively investing in their digital capabilities, their significant physical presence and historical infrastructure differentiate them from banks that are purely digital by design. Perhaps a more accurate description would be a well-established traditional bank undergoing a significant and ongoing digital transformation. They are leveraging digital tools to enhance their services and reach their customers where they are, which is increasingly online. They are navigating the complexities of blending their traditional strengths with the demands of a digital-first world. Ultimately, what matters most to you as a customer? Is it the convenience of a purely digital experience, or do you still value the option of in-person service? The answer to that question will likely shape your perception of whether Westpac's digital offerings meet your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.